Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Stitch Fix box for the month of October. So real quick, for those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and your likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, purses, accessories, whatever you want. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you're going to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and then you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items, you're going to get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply that $20 styling fee. Stitch Fix is doing something new. They are offering a Fix preview to certain customers, and I did get offered the Fix preview for this box. I did select all 5 items to be sent to me that are in this box. We're gonna get into this box to see what I got for this month. When you open up your box, you're gonna see that you have your prepaid mailer envelope. This is gonna be used to send back anything that you don't want, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll use this envelope. I really like that shipping is free both ways. It really makes it nice and convenient. You're also gonna have your envelope, and inside your envelope is gonna be your price invoice sheet. And this is Fix number 38 for me. You're also gonna have your Oh Hello style card, and this has all the styling suggestions for the pieces that are inside your box, but it also has a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Kara, and I'm gonna read her note real quick. It says, "Happy Fix Preview Day, Jennifer. How are you doing? I know school is back in session. How is the transition going and everything COVID?" It's definitely going. I mean, could be better, but it's going. Hopefully you are staying safe and healthy. My daughter started preschool. How time flies, and even though it's a couple of days and a few hours, it's weird having her gone. Well, as always, it is so much fun styling you and finding those pieces to help build on your existing wardrobe. You mentioned you always love a good cardigan. That's why I opted for a few styles and colors for you to try out. And I'm sorry the jeans were too short. There was a pair of skinny jeans that were in there, and the inseam length was 30, and I need, for like a skinny jean, I need at least a 32. I really wear a 33 to 34 inch inseam. I'll keep my eyes open. However, you can't go wrong with a good pair of bootcut jeans. You pinned a leopard print dress, so that sparks me to grab the snake print tie front blouse for a bold look. Did you want a new purse in your next fix or booties? Let me know. XX Kara. So here are my style cards, and so they show you your item and they give you 2 different ways to style that particular item. So I like those style cards. And so here's my bundle. I don't own anything snake print. This is really soft. Here are the 2 cardigans and a pair of bootcut jeans. So we're gonna get into it to see all these items. So first off is by West Key, the Casiya tie front blouse in burgundy. So here is the snake print blouse. It has a opening right here, like a keyhole opening at the top. It has burgundy with black and gray and a cream, so I'll get up real close so you can see that. It's kind of sheer. It does have the elastic sleeves here, so it's probably gonna be, I would say, 3/4 to a full length sleeve. It does have the tie front on the front of the shirt. It doesn't seem too long, so that should be okay. This looks like a really good work blouse, and like I said, I don't own any snake print on anything that I have. Next is by Pink Clover. It is the Luna elbow patch button detail brush knit top in taupe. And I really liked this because I like the taupe and kind of gold coloring that it had. It's really, really soft. It has the really cute button details up here at the top. It's very, very soft, and it has the little brown elbow patches. It's kind of lightweight, so it's gonna be probably a good item for fall here in North Carolina. So I think that's really cute. I could wear it to work, I could wear it casually. And I did choose a couple cardigans because as a teacher, my classroom gets really, really cold, so that's why I have to layer up, especially during the fall season. This is from Stitches and Stripes, a Lillianna speckled lightweight cardigan in off-white. And I had requested an off-white or kind of beige cardigan. And so this is off-white, and it does have that speckled look to it. The speckles are kind of like a brown and a blue. So I'll get up really close so you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. It does have the ribbing on the sleeve, and it has the ribbing on the bottom. It has the 2 pockets. It's kind of like a lightweight to medium feel. So hopefully that'll match up with some of my things. And then I have this cardigan by Love Ellie, the Adelle 2-pocket Pointelle cardigan in coral. And so here's this cardigan. It's a really nice kind of a, it says it's coral, but I kind of think of like a kind of a almost rust color. I guess you could call it coral, but it has some ribbing right here on the sleeves. It's kind of got that kind of an open weave kind of look to it. It's got some detailing going down the front. It's got the pockets. It's got the ribbing at the bottom. It does have like a little slit here, so I'm assuming it's on both sides. And then the back has that really pretty detail going down the back. So I think that's gonna pair well with some of my fall shirts and things like that. And then jeans are always really difficult for me to find. Most of the time the jeans I end up getting are bootcut because they can come in a longer inseam. I need at least 33, really I need a 34, but I can get by with a 33 sometimes. And so this is from Cut from the Cloth, the Simmons Bootcut high-rise double button jean in indigo. And so it's just a nice dark wash jean. It does have the double buttons here at the top. One of them's buttoned, the other one's not, but there are 2 buttons right here at the top. It does have some nice stretch. I tend to have pretty good luck with Cut from the Cloth. Just a nice dark wash with a little bit of lighter fading right here in the thigh. Just a boot cut, which is coming back in style. The 2 pockets on the back, just a basic dark wash jean. So I'm gonna get ready to do a try on and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with this first item, and it's this cardigan by Love Ellie, the Adelle 2-pocket Pointelle cardigan in coral. And I just left on the top that I had on because I felt like it paired nicely with it. So it's not a real long cardigan. It kind of comes down here. It does have like the slips on the sides. It really does have like some really pretty detail in the pattern here in the fabric. It does have the 2 pockets. The sleeve length is good. It is kind of lightweight. You can kind of see through it. I think it's a good color for fall. But like I said, I think it goes really nicely with this particular shirt. I like that it has pockets. I do like that it's kind of lightweight because here in North Carolina, like I said, it's still kind of warm here, but you still need something kind of lightweight to put on in the classroom to kind of keep from getting too cold. They really freeze us out and we have no control over the temperature in the classroom. So I'm going to turn around so you can see this cute detail on the back. And I think that's really pretty. But like I said, you can kind of like see through it. You can see through the fabric, so it's not real heavy, but I think it would be good for transitioning into fall and as a layering piece. So I'm going to try on the jeans and one of the tops, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the next 2 items, and on top I have the West Key Casiya tie front blouse in burgundy, and on bottom I have the Cut from the Cloth Simmons Bootcut high-rise double button jean. All right, so let's start with the top. It is polyester. It is a nice burgundy color for fall. I don't own any snake print. And this is not, some snake prints I don't really care for, but I kind of like this one because it's kind of subtle, I feel like. I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print. I do have a white cami on underneath here, but I would probably wear a black one just to blend in a little bit better. So it's got like gray, white, black, and then the burgundy. It does have the tie in the front, but it's not like obnoxiously long or anything like that, so that doesn't bother me. The elastic sleeves. It's not a 3/4, but it's not completely a full length sleeve either, so kind of blousey sleeves. It does come a little bit longer in the back. And so I do think this would be a good top for me to wear to work. Also, it's just really nice colors for fall. But you guys tell me what you think. As far as the jeans, they fit perfect. They are high rise. I do like the double button. They've got stretch in them, but they're like good amount of stretch. Like, I don't feel like they're gonna stretch way too much out. The length is good because I know that they are gonna probably shrink a little bit, so that the length is really nice and long, which is good. Like I said, most of the time for my inseam, I usually end up getting the bootcut jeans because that's what I can get in my inseam length. I do think these two items pair well together. They'd look really nice with a pair of black boots or gray booties. So I think these are gonna be keepers. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try on the other top and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with this next top, and this is by Pink Clover, the Luna elbow patch button detail top in taupe. And it's really soft. It's got that heathered look, like it's got like, looks like gray or black running through the taupe. It's got the really cute button detail right here. I just really love taupe and brown and like gold for fall. I think it's good colors. It's really soft, the length is good. Comes down long enough, and it has the elbow pads on the back, and they are hitting in the right spot, which is nice. It paired nicely with the dark wash jeans. I do think it'd be really cute to have some like brown booties on with it. This is just a really nice, lightweight, casual transition into fall type of top. So very soft, very comfortable. Probably gonna have to wash it inside out because it is that brush knit material. And I don't have a lot of trouble with washing that as long as I turn it inside out and then hang it to dry. I am gonna throw on that cardigan over top of this. I probably wouldn't wear it like that, but just to put it on and see what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back with the last item, and this is the Stitches and Stripes Lillianna Speckled Lightweight Cardigan. But the cardigan is a good length. It's a little bit longer than the other one. I like that it has the ribbing at the sleeve, and then you can kind of see that it has like a brown and kind of blue speckled look to it. Like I said, I wouldn't put it over top of this. I just threw it on just so I didn't have to try it on with something else, but I like that it has the pockets. It is lightweight. It does not have any slips on the sides or anything like that, but it does come down long enough. And I just think this is a good piece to layer over top of a lot of my blouses for school. So, all right guys, I'm gonna get changed and I'll be right back to do a recap. All right guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. And overall, this was a really great fix. When I wrote my note to my stylist, I did request some lightweight cardigans to put over some blouses for work, and I also requested a pair of jeans for my long inseam. And so Kara delivered on both of those things that I requested. And so the first item on my list is the Pink Clover Luna elbow button patch detail top in taupe. It has the cute little buttons on the shoulders. It's that soft brush knit material, so just be aware that you may need to wash it inside out and hang it to dry. It did have the cute little elbow patches that were brown. That would be cute for fall. I just really think that it has that really pretty heathered, like the taupe and the black in there. I think that's really pretty for fall. And so the cost is really reasonable. It's $38. So this is going to be a good one for me when the temperatures start to cool down a little bit more here in North Carolina. Next is the Love Ellie Adelle 2-pocket Pointelle cardigan, and they say in coral, and that's this cardigan right here that has a really pretty details. It is kind of lightweight. I did like that. The weaving was kind of open, so it is lightweight enough to wear right now. I think it's a great color to put with some of my blouses for work, and it's a good color for fall. And the cost of this one is $48. Next on the list is by West Key, the Casiya tie front blouse in burgundy, and that was the snake print blouse. And I really like the colors in this one, and I like that the snake print is very subtle. It's got the burgundy, the black, the gray, and then the white. It is 100% polyester. It did have that keyhole at the neck, and then it did have the tie front at the bottom, but it wasn't really long, which that's what I don't like about some tie fronts, is if they're really, really long. So I think this will be great with black work pants or jeans. I think this is a really nice top, and the cost of it is $42. Next is the cut from the Kloth Simmons Bootcut High Rise Double Button Jean in Indigo. And these are the most expensive item in the box. They're $89. These are great for my tall friends. If you're looking for a pair of jeans that have a really long inseam, these are gonna be those jeans. And like I said, they're $89, but good jeans are hard to find, so they're worth the price to me. And then last but not least is the Stitches and Stripes Lillianna Speckled Lightweight Cardigan in Off-White. And that was this one right here. It's just an off-white kind of cream color. And I'm gonna get up close and you can see it has like the brown and the blue speckles in there. It's just a nice basic cardigan that I think I can throw over lots of different tops. And so this cardigan is $58. And so my stylist pick subtotal was $275, but if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which would take off $68.75. The order subtotal was $206.25. Shipping is free. I don't get to take off the $20 styling fee because I have the style pass, and so I could send it all back and it wouldn't cost me anything, but I'm really leaning towards keeping everything. You guys tell me what you think. Would you make this a 5 for 5 fix? I am going to leave a referral link in the description box below. I have tapped out on referral credit for this year, and so I'm going to share the love. So I'm going to put my mom's referral link in the description box below. That referral link will give you $25 off your first Stitch Fix, and so that would waive the styling fee. And then if you decide to keep anything from your fix, then you get to take that $25 off of anything that you decide to keep. And I think that's a pretty good deal. What I love about Stitch Fix is that you only pay for what you keep, and so if you decide to keep nothing, you've just lost that styling fee. And if you do keep something, then they do apply that styling fee, which I think is really nice. Again, let me know what you think about the items that I received in my box. I always forget to say this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to like, subscribe, to hit the notification bell. I do lots of Stitch Fix unboxings for myself, my husband, and my daughter. And so if you like these types of videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, guys, until next time, bye.